Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you how you can download your movies on your Netflix account. If you're new to our channel, then first of all do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video to our channel. And without any further ado, let us get started. Now the first step you want to make sure is that you have actually downloaded and installed the Netflix application on your phone. If you have not yet downloaded the Netflix application, then simply open your Play Store if you're on your Android, and if you're on your iOS, then simply open your App Store, and in the search box simply type in Netflix. Once you type in Netflix, you can see the app which is called Netflix, and you will see a green install button if you're on your Android in order to download the application. And if you're on your iOS, then you will see a cloud-like icon. You need to click over there and simply verify it using your Apple ID password or whichever security methods you have. So once you are sure that you have downloaded and installed the Netflix application, simply open it and make sure that you are logged into your premium account. And after you are logged in, simply select a profile. Now once you have selected profile, in order to download the movie you need to search for it. Now you can choose any of the recommended movies or shows right over here, or on the top right hand side you can also click on the search box and then type in the show or movie which you want to download. Simply type in any type of shows which you want to download, and as you can see the results will load up, and click on the show right over here, and then you can see the option which is called download over here at the bottom of the screen. Or else you can also download this show episode wise. Simply click on the show right over here, and as you can see it will show you that if you want to download it, you will see a download button right over here. Or if you want to download it episode or season wise, you can simply select the season right over here, and on the right hand side you will see the download icon. In order to download the episode, simply click on the download button, and once you download it, you can see the download process has begun. Now if you want to view this, now after the download is complete, you can view this episode offline. You can simply go to view my downloads, and you can see that it is currently downloaded. After the download process is complete, you will be successfully able to watch this movie and shows. So this is how you can really easily download Netflix TV shows and movies. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it did help you in any way, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, because we are going to bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.